Bro, if you're still in bronze, you have to do this, man. You have to play Sledge shotgun, man. Sledge shotgun. Look at this clip. Look at this clip. Look, I wait for him to come. He's not coming. Okay, fine. I smash this fucking shit. Then I throw my grenade. Clear all the utilities. Throw another nade. So I get the free kill. Look. Bam. Kill. Free, man. Free. Look, if someone's pushing me low. Look, smoke wants to smoke. He ain't get no smoke. So I push him. Look what I'm doing. Look, look. I'm pushing. Bam! Switch your ass. Then you push again. Look through. If there's someone there, no one's there. Last one. Bam! Bam! Switch his ass. Man, free low.